Yeah, I just got this in the mail today. Ordered a bunch of stuff. I'm thinking this is a faucet or a shower set, but let's take a look. Nice box. Alrighty. So we got a little smushed in shipping, but whatever. Where do we open this from? Ha. And oh yes, the gold old school shower I ordered. They're very thin metal or plastic, but whatever. It wasn't crazy expensive, so let's see what this is. Trying to lose any parts here. This would be I'm not really sure. Oh, it's probably, yeah, one of the brackets that holds it to the wall, or the bracket that holds it to the wall. Looking at the pictures, that's what that is. All right. Oh man. Will I ever get this crap back in the box? Probably not. Look at this. That's a good foot off the wall here. Rubber banded. And somebody's skilled with their rubber bands. Oh, come on. There we go. Nice. I already tell it's nice quality. The metal's thin, but not too thin. Shower head screws on here. Little diverter. I don't know. This is for the wall support, and it has this little screw here to hold it wherever you decide to put it. I kind of like that. That's cool. All right. Oh, this is nice. I'll tell you right now, this is a better quality than the slide for the hand shower. And nice to say it's 8-inch shower head. Your gold hand shower thingamajig. I'm not seeing a valve here. Huh. Bag's knotted shut, so we're gonna cut the stupid thing. Alright, what do we got here? They're faucets. You're hot and you're cold. Not labeled, but you know the drill. The action of this, smooth. Not cheap and flimsy, so this is good stuff. I'm impressed. Your white linen bag here. Oh, that thing was for the hand shower that slides up and down. Okay, I see. My bag is killing me. Oh. Guess this is the valve. Okay. And we have your tubes to get it way up over your head. It should have a rubber washer. Oh, it has the rubber washer here. Okay. That's cool. That's cool. And what else is in the box? Another tube. Everything's looking good. Looking good. So, I wouldn't say this is the highest quality shower system I've seen, but looks nice. And more of your hardware bezels for the wall. Nice gold color. Alright, let's take a look at the instructions real quick. Oh, let's not forget the hand shower. Cute little guy. It's just weird that I'm not seeing a roughen like a valve. Comes with pipe tape, that's cool. I guess this is just to plumb into your existing hot and cold valves. But I don't know, pretty simple, no complaints here. Make sure you read the description before you buy it. Know what you're getting, but all in all, quality wise, it looks like pretty good stuff. So there you have it.